This is Teddy, and there is a huge storm. It's like there's like going to be a tornado. You may not see the rain, but it's horrible. It's like pouring, and the winds are so strong. Oh my gosh, it's scary. Chu's coming. There's my brother right there. He wanted to get pizza. It was pretty dangerous for him. Look. Oh my gosh. And they say that the wind's going 75 to 60 miles per hour. And there's like a 69 or 70% chance of a tornado. I'm so scared. You know, that's why I want to move to LA. It's more peaceful. Oh my god, flying papers everywhere! Oh my gosh, it's scary! I don't want to be here anymore. Okay, now it's pouring. Now it's pouring like seriously. Ah! Oh my gosh! It is so scary out there. It's super scary. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, it's like I'm so not calm. No, it was sort of like this on my birthday in 2013, but this worse. Oh my gosh. This is a tornado. It's like a dangerous situation here. And I'm super scared. Oh my gosh. Ah, oh my gosh. There's a thunder here. Scary. You may not hear the thunder, but it's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This.